In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable DNS in Chrome. So this is very simple, just follow me. Everything you need to do is go up here to these three dots on the right hand side up there in Chrome, click them, go to the very bottom where it says settings, you want to click this, and then look for over here on the left, privacy and security, okay? You want to go inside privacy and security, and then scroll down until you find security. Then you want to press security over here, scroll down yet again, and look for use secure DNS. And you want to simply turn this on, and you can even select a DNS provider. Now, I just leave it as OS default when available, but you can also add a custom DNS service provider, use Google public DNS, OpenDNS, Cloudflare, or Clean Browsing Family Filter, okay? But I usually just leave it as it is, so with the OS default when available, and that's pretty much it. That's how you enable DNS in Google Chrome.